dish we're going to be making today is maybe not your typical stuffed portobello mushrooms, but we are doing portobello mushrooms stuffed with a bunch of things. We have tomatoes, onion, spinach, and tofu. So all those vegetarians out there or vegans, you can eat this too. So what I like to do first is I'm going to set the oven for 375. So I'm going to go do that. So just bake 375 and start. So while that's preheating, I'm going to get everything ready. So I already pre-did it, but we have tin foil over just a plain baking sheet. So I'm just going to put the mushrooms on there. I'm making 6. This recipe calls for 2, but I really want to have leftovers. So all of those are ready. It fits perfectly, which I wasn't sure it would. So now we're just going to dice up everything and put it in the bowl. So the next step is tofu. You can use this to really have your meat as well. So I'm just going to pull it out. This has 16 ounces in it. So if you've never cooked with it, you want to drain the water first. It's a little challenging to get out. That's okay, we're going to chop it up anyway. And set the timer for 20 minutes. And you are all set. So the timer just went off. I'm just going to turn the timer off and turn the oven off, just so I don't forget. Sometimes you can forget. So I'm going to grab them. So just pre-warning, it might be a little bit watery, but that's normal and that's totally fine. It's just because this mushrooms are super fresh. And voila! We have stuffed tofu portobello mushrooms.